Hi, this is Chef Andy. I am starting our Queso Fundido for tonight. I've taken ground pork, I'm adding all my spices, the New Mexico chilies that I've soaked in water and vinegar, and some garlic and paprika and cumin and coriander, and I'm mixing that all together. And I'm going to take some of that and cook it a little bit in my pan, just to be sure I have the seasoning right. I can always re-season it before I use it. Hi, this is Chef Andy again. So I'm finishing my Queso Fundido. I took some Tunisian harissa extra virgin olive oil and sauteed a little garlic and onion and jalapeno in it. Then I added the chorizo, which needed some salt after I tasted it. And I cooked that down to cook the chorizo. I added some heavy cream and some Chihuahua cheese, and I cooked it at a very low temperature until the Chihuahua cheese was fully melted. And I'm serving that with both corn chips and some flour tortillas. Now the thickness is good, but I'd like it to be a little thicker than that. So when I rewrite this recipe, I'll use about half the amount of cream. In order to serve it, I'm just taking my flour tortillas and I'm going to heat them right up on my flame. Give them a little bit of char, a little flavor, and then serve it.